Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to start a new topic, natural resources. Children, this is the topic of your internal assessment so that you should know about the natural resources, and you should also make 5 pages of this topic. You should write down about the natural resources in the 5 pages and submit me. Okay, so children, the resources on the earth that are present are air, water, soil, minerals, and the living organism. The outer crust of the earth is the lithosphere, and the water on the earth is the hydrosphere, because the hydro word is related to the water and the litho is related to the earth crust, and the layer of the air around the earth is the atmosphere. So, children, the living organisms are found where the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and the lithosphere interact, and it is the biosphere. So, children, you can see this picture in this diagram: the atmosphere, biosphere, lithosphere, and the hydrosphere. So, children, the first is we are going to discuss the natural resource is the air, which is present in atmosphere. So that the air is a mixture of gases like the nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and the other gases. We know about the composition, like the 78% nitrogen, 20 approx 21% is oxygen, and 0.03% carbon dioxide, and the other inert gases like argon, neon, krypton, xenon. So that during the respiration of the living organism use the oxygen to break down the glucose and get energy for their activities. So this results in the release of carbon dioxide gas. Burning of the fuels also use the oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. So, children, during the photosynthesis in the green plants, they convert the carbon dioxide into the glucose and in the presence of sunlight. So, this is the results in the release of the oxygen. So, children, these processes help to maintain the oxygen carbon dioxide balance in nature. So, this balance you can see in this diagram. Okay. Hope children this topic is clear. Any query you can write in query box. Thank you children.